Hi guys, this is my Transit 5 FORD camper van, and I was having some troubles with the ventilator. It would only work in the third position and not in the first or the second. So there's two resistors to trim down the motor while it has to run slower. And I was expecting those resistors to be somewhere behind the dashboard here, so I took out this top and I followed the cables. I followed the connector to the switch, and the switch appeared to be good. The fan was okay, of course. And looking on the internet, I couldn't find anybody telling me exactly where it was. And then finally on the forum on FORDtransit.org I found some photos which were totally not usable. So I decided to make a little vid of what I've repaired. Where the resistors are located is right down here. There you can see the little cage where the resistors are normally in. And that's left of the front light on the passenger side, which was exactly the description on the forum, but I was looking in the other compartment right there. So that's my stupidity. But anyways, I found another solution as well, because this was all corroded. But the resistor itself was okay. The resistors are not more than wires. So I took off all the copper clips and I cut off the connector, and now there's just this little simple connection here straight between the lines of the resistors, and I'm gonna put that back in its cage where it gets air cooled.